First grade, today you have your problem solving worksheet, and I wanted to go through what that would look like for you. Because today it says that we want to look for a pattern and we want to draw a picture. So let's make sure that we get to that right away. Make sure that your name and date are on your paper. Today is October 16th. 2020. So make sure that you have October 16th, 2020 on your sheet as well as your name. So today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to solve a problem by drawing a picture and looking for a pattern. You're going to need to listen carefully as I read the problem to see what we know and what we need to find out. I'm going to read this problem. Make sure your pencil is down. I'll even have my pencil down. I'm going to point to each word, and I'll use my pen for that. The beads in Layla's bracelet are in a blue, yellow, red, repeating pattern. Show the color of the 10th bead on her bracelet. What is something we know in this problem? Well, we know that she has a bracelet, and we also know that the colors in the bracelet are blue, yellow, and red. And it's going to repeat in that same order. Blue, yellow, red. Blue, yellow, red. Blue, yellow, red, right? That's what a repeating pattern is. And so what we want to do is figure out what it's asking us. It's asking us to show the color of the 10th bead on her bracelet. So now we have to plan how we're going to solve the problem. For this problem, we can use strategies called draw a picture and look for a pattern. Well, how can we draw a picture to solve this problem? Well, what we can do is we can make a bracelet. Okay, make that your bracelet. And then we're going to draw and color the beads on Layla's bracelet so that when we get to the 10th one, we know exactly where we are. So you can have your blue, yellow, and red crayons. That would be really helpful for you. And I would even put them in the order that you need them. Blue, yellow, red. Blue, yellow, red. And then I'm going to make beads. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. That's the one we want to know. Okay, so we need to color these in that blue, yellow, red pattern. Blue, yellow, red. Blue, yellow, red. Blue, yellow, red. Okay. Now, the question at the bottom asks us what color the 10th bead on Layla's bracelet is. We need to write the answer on the line. What color was the 10th bead? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. The 10th bead was blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Okay, now let's check our answer. Okay, we understood it. We made a plan for what we were going to do. We solved it. And now we need to check our work. We are going to read the problem again, and I want you to check your picture as we read it. The beads in Layla's bracelet are in a blue, yellow, red repeating pattern. Show the color of the 10th bead on her bracelet. Did we show that the beads were in a blue, yellow, red repeating pattern? Yes. Did you on your paper? Okay, did we show 10 beads on the bracelet? Yes. And what did we do to solve the problem? We solved the problem by drawing a picture and looking for a pattern. Okay, now we're going to have a chance to do one more. We're going to do this kind of together, and I want you to be able to finish this on your own. So make sure that you get your name at the top. I am going to read the words to this problem, and I'll give you 10 seconds until I start reading for you to make sure that you have your name on your paper. Okay, let's try. The beads in Camille's necklace are in a red, blue, blue, yellow repeating pattern. Show the color of the 12th bead on her necklace. Okay, so the beads in Camille's necklace are in a red, blue, blue, yellow repeating pattern. Show the color of the 12th bead on her necklace. This is as far as I'm going to help you. You can make her necklace kind of like her bracelet. Okay? This was the word 12th, the 12th bead. Here's your pattern. Red, blue, blue, yellow. So what I need you to do, friends, is I need you to solve that problem. When you have finished, you're going to write down what the color of the 12th bead is, and we're circling what we did to solve the problem. Well, you drew a picture and you looked for the pattern. Here was your pattern. Okay? And then how did you get your answer? Well, obviously, you drew out the picture and you made a plan for what you were going to do. You solved it by putting the beads on the line, on the necklace, and coloring them in so that you could find the 12th bead. You do not need to explain it on paper. However, you should explain it to an adult. Okay? When you are done with this, go ahead and put this in your Friday folder so that we can take a look at how you did on this back side.